traders, and welcome to another exciting video lecture brought to you by the Academy of Financial Markets. I'm Michael Harding, your Chief Trading Instructor. In this lesson, I'll show you how to download and install MT4 or MT5 for your desktop and mobile devices. This platform is one of the world's most popular Forex trading platform out there. So I will be showing you how to install this platform, and I'll also show you how to set up a demo account with various brokers. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is visit MetaTrader5.com, and right on the home page we have several links. We have the links for the MetaTrader 5 and the links below. So we have for your PC, Mac, iPhone, and Android, and next to it, if you prefer using the MetaTrader 4, then we also have the same links available there as well. So for this entire course, I will be using MetaTrader 5. So I'll go ahead and download the link for my PC computer. So that after clicking on that link, it opens up the MT5 setup.exe, and I'll go ahead and save that to my computer. Once the file has been saved, I'll just run the installation. And I'll just hit finish. And then this is what the default setup looks like. Okay, so initially we have the terminal open. I can just go ahead and press Control T to go ahead and close that. And I'll just organize these charts a little bit by pressing on this button here. Now, some of you might not have the exact same layout as I do here. That's okay. I will be explaining how to customize the layouts, the charts, use the tools, and everything like that in the lessons upcoming. Now, once we have the trading software installed, the next step is to go ahead and open up a demo account. So we want to go up to File, Open an Account, and then we want to type in our desired broker. So for this lecture, I'll type in FXDD, and I'll just select the demo, and I'll go ahead and hit Next. Open a demo, just fill in these parameters here. Put in a phone number there, and I'll select leverage 1 to 100. That's fine. Initial deposit, I'll select 5,000, and I'll just go ahead and agree to the newsletter and just hit next. And if you like, you can go ahead and you can save your login information. So that's your username here, and then you have your password. Just go ahead and hit finish. And now we can see that we are connected to the server because we're starting to see some flashing lights happen here. We're starting to see the prices adjusting in the market watch. And so I'll just go ahead and click and remove the terminal by pressing Control T. So now that we have the demo account set up, some of you might also have a different broker that you want to install. So sometimes, for example, if you open an account and say, for example, you were to type in Oanda, and if Oanda does not appear in the list below, you might actually have to visit Oanda's website and go through the process of creating a demo account with them and then downloading their MT4 platform straight from their website. Okay. Now, for those of you using Macintosh at home and would like to download the Macintosh version, you just have to go back over to MetaTrader4.com and then just click on the Mac link here, and this will actually give you the instructions on how to install Play on Mac, and then you're able to run the .exe file on a Mac computer. So you have the instructions right on this website here. And if you're interested in downloading the app for your iPhone or your Android device, those links are also available on the website. So I'm not going to go ahead and show you how to install them, but I'll just show you that the links are available. It's pretty straightforward. Just go over to the iTunes store and you can download the apps and run the installation as so. And so that pretty much sums up the lesson for installing MT4 and setting up a demo account. In the next lecture, I'll show you how to decide on a broker.